Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Toyota Yaris Icon. This car comes with the hybrid 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to an impressive 91 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 10, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 35,000 miles and comes with full service history from Toyota. This particular colour is called the Chili Red and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, a nice tall wide door opening there, so easy access in and out. Onto the dashboard you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. This car also has climate control, and then on the right hand side of the steering wheel there you've got your cruise control on that stalk just below, and then further to the right you've got your electric mirrors, and on the driver's door card your front window controls. On the Yaris you've got a nice wide door opening there on the back, a good amount of legroom and headroom for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own cup holder there in the centre as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you also have a spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.